Good morning, students. I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapeeth channel. As you know, this is our second channel, and many videos of your classes, class 6 to 12, were already uploaded in our Social Science with NKSR channel. And we are very grateful and we are very glad for your good appreciation messages which you have sent for your good performance. Our contents help you, and as you requested, sir, we need some more contents so that we can do well in our term 2 exam. So my team is made this channel, and we are planning to add some more videos which will help you to do good in your term 2 exam. So many MCQ based questions, your chapters videos, social science chapters videos, and some others extra question were already uploaded in this channel, and some other videos are recorded, will be uploaded very soon. And we believe that you must have subscribed this social science Vidyapeeth channel along with social science with NKSR channel, because as you know, my team uploads every day many social science videos of your class 6 to 12 in this both the channel. If you subscribe the channel, you will get the instant notification of the newly added videos, and you can help your friends by sharing this important educational videos and like the videos, and you can subscribe the channel also. And as I mentioned in the description, the live classes will be started very soon, and the timing will be very appropriate, so that you all can join, and you all can benefited by joining these live classes. And in this particular channel, my team is recording this video for class 10 social science, that is manufacturing industry. And as I always tell, you should sit with one notebook and pen so that you can write the important points and informations of this chapter, and you should see all the videos till the end so that you can understand the important points and important points related to that chapter. If you look till the end, if you miss or you will skip the video, then you will miss to understand the important points of the chapter, which will create problem for you. Okay, so one advice here, you should see all the videos till the end. Okay, and you mention how much mark you got from all the questions. Okay, so I hope you all are ready. Shall we start now? So the first question of this chapter manufacturing industry, class 10 social science, that is on basis of ownership, industries are categories as dash. Your options are large scale and small scale industry, public sector, private sector, joint and cooperative sectors, and basic or key and consumer industry, and agro based and mineral based industry. Okay, so on the basis of ownership, industries are categorized as, I hope you all have written the right answer. Those who have written right answer, you should give 1 mark for the right answer of each questions. Okay, the right answer of this question, on the basis of ownership, industries are categorized as public sector, private sector, joint and cooperative sectors. Okay, moving to the next question, which one is not an integrated steel plant? Okay, your options are Durgapur steel plant in West Bengal, Bhilai steel plant in Chhattisgarh, Rourkela steel plant in Odisha, Tata Iron and Steel Corporation Limited, TISCO. So the steel plant which is not a integrated steel plant, the right answer of this question is Tata Iron and Steel Corporation Limited. Okay, that is not an integrated steel plant. Correct. Moving to the next question, when was the first jute mill set off near Kolkata at Risra? Okay, your options are 1855, 1899, 1870 and 1856. So the first jute mill set off near Kolkata at Risra, the right answer of the year, that is 1855. So in the year of 1855, the first jute mill set off near Kolkata at Risra. 1855 is the right answer. Moving to the next question. The raw material like iron ore, coking coal, limestone and dolomite, manganese and fine clay are needed in which industry? Your options are petrochemical industry, sugar industry, iron and steel industry and chemical industry. So the right answer of this question is iron and steel industry. Okay. Moving to the next question, the Rourkela steel plant was set up in a collaboration with which country? Russia, Germany, United Kingdom and China. The right answer of this question is Germany. Okay. Moving toward the next question, which state is the leading sugar producer in the country? Your options are Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh. The right answer of this question is the leading sugar producer in the country is Uttar Pradesh. Moving to the next question, which was the new industrial policy of India announced? Okay, so when was the new industrial policy of India was announced? Your options are 1992, 1991, 1993, and 1990. The right answer of this question is 1991. Moving to the next question, which of the following is a basic or key industry? The right answer of this question is iron and steel industry, automobile industry, cement industry, and fertilizer industry. Okay, so the basic or key industry is iron and steel industry is the right answer. Okay, moving to the next question, where was the first cotton textile mill was established? Your options are Ahmedabad, Surat, Bokaro, and Mumbai. So the first cotton textile mill established in Mumbai. Mumbai is the right answer. Moving to the next question, the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods is dash. Your options are Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, and Myanmar. So the largest producer of raw jute and jute good is produced in India. Okay, India is the right answer. Moving to the next question, which one of the following does not come under the category of consumer industry? And your options are sugar, paper, fans, and jute. So student, this is also very important. Jute is not coming under the consumer industry. Okay, moving to the next question, which one of the following is a private sector industry? Your options are Vale, Shell, Tisco, and oil. So a private sector industry is Tisco. Okay, which one of the following is a joint sector industry? Your options are Tisco, Oil India Limited, Vale, and Bajaj Auto Limited. So the joint sector industry is Oil India Limited. Moving to the next question, where was the first jute mill set up? Your options are Mumbai, Surat, Kanpur, and Kolkata. The right answer of this question is Kolkata. The first jute mill set up in Kolkata. The largest producer of steel is dash: India, France, Japan, China. So the right answer of this question is the largest producer of steel is China. Moving to the next question, Nalco and Balco are associated with which of the following? Aluminium industry, cement industry, fertilizer industry, none of this. The right answer of this question is aluminium industry. The first cement plant was in dash: Chennai, Madurai, Ahmedabad, Mumbai. The first cement plant was in Chennai. Moving to the next question, which city has emerged as the electronic capital of India? Your options are Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Bengaluru. So the right answer of this question is Bengaluru is emerged as Bengaluru is emerged as the electronic capital of India. So students, these are some of the important MCQ based questions which are prepared from each topic of the manufacturing industry chapter of class 10 social science. I hope this MCQ based question will be very helpful for you to do good in your term 2 exam, and we will meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions. Thank you.